Hi, how's it going? Not bad. Thanks. How about you? I'm doing well. By the way, have you heard about the new restaurant in town? Yeah, we heard good things. Have you been there yet? No, not yet. Let's go together this Friday. What do you say? Let's meet at 7 p.m. outside the restaurant. Perfect. I will see you there. See you on Friday. Hi, table for two, please. Sure, right this way. Thank you. Here are the menus. Can I get you any drinks? Two glass of water, please. Coming right up. Excuse me, could you recommend a vegetarian option? Certainly, our vegetable stir fry is a popular choice. Sounds great. I will both have that. Noted. I will place your order. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Any future plan? Yeah, I went study computer science, specialize in AI. Nice. What's your goal with that? I want to create innovative teach like translation system. Cool. Any plans after your degree? Definitely. I will pursue a master in AI and aim for research or joining an AI focused company. Best of luck with everything. Thanks. I'm excited for what's ahead. What's wrong? You seem upset. I'm having a family problem. It's really tough right now. I'm sorry to hear that. Have you talked to them about it? I have, but they don't seem to understand or listen. Maybe suggesting family counseling could help. It's worth a try. I haven't thought about that. Thanks for the suggestion. You're welcome. Remember, communication is key. I hope things improve for your family.